Hello and welcome to Supported Education. My name is Lesley Watson and I'm the Head of Curriculum for Supported Education and Personalised Provision. The Supported Education programme is designed for young people with special educational needs and disabilities, and the focus of this is to prepare young people for adulthood by developing skills for greater independence at home, at college and in the community, and also to develop employability skills for the future and the world of work. The teaching and learning support is provided by our specialist team. We have our own dedicated area in the Station Plaza building on the Hastings campus. The environment is designed to support your learning, and we also have access to a wide range of other areas and facilities in the college. I work alongside Belinda Cooper. Her role is the support team leader, and she organises and arranges the support staff to ensure that all students have the right level of support for themselves at college, both during their lessons and when they are at break and lunch times and social times. Here are our teaching team. We have Alison Barton, Francoise Cumming, Agnieszka Dabrowska, Marty Dean, Matt O'Connor and Maria Westlake. They will be teaching you lessons that are themed around independent living skills, employability skills, English and maths, and personal and social development. There will be a wide range of different lessons that you can choose for your timetable. And when you come to college, we will work with you to create a timetable that suits you as an individual, looking at what your personal needs are and also your interests. Types of things that you might have on your timetable will include cooking and household skills to develop your skills for independent living. We will also include such things as community access and travel training. There will be arts and creativity, drama, ICT, skills for employability and enterprise, gardening, and a whole range of other subjects. We will work with you to make sure that you have the right subjects on your timetable. You will be working towards qualifications in skills for independent living and employability skills. These are entry-level courses which we can offer at the different entry levels 1, 2 or 3, and they provide a framework for your learning programme. They also help us to focus on where you're going to progress onto. The work itself is based on building up a portfolio, working towards different units, which you will keep in your student folder. You will not have to take any exams to achieve your qualifications, and you will have the right level of support to complete all of the tasks and the units as we work through the year. I'm now going to show you some pictures of our environment. So you can see that we have classrooms that are set up so that all students can have their own individual workstation. We also have areas for small group work. We have a home skills area, and this is designed to help you develop your skills for independent living. You can practice things like cooking and cleaning and doing the laundry. We have our own IT room with PCs and laptops. We also have quiet areas where you can go to chill out and have some time out if needed. We have quiet working spaces as well as a sensory room. Often people like to know what they can do when they finish their time at college, and we will work with you through your programme, talking every year about how you will progress and what you will move on to. There are lots of different opportunities that you might want to work towards. Some of the things that students have moved on to include other mainstream courses at college. You might want to consider supported internships and apprenticeships. There's also options for services outside of college in supported employment and other adult service provision, such as Littlegate Farm, Parchment Trust, Project Artworks, Active Artworks. And we will work with you to support your transition when the time is right. And this can include finding out lots more about these different areas and helping you to plan tasters and visits when you're ready. We think it's really important that we know what students think about college as well. so that we can continue to develop and improve our course for you. And you can share your views with your course rep, who will make sure that we know what you think is good at college or where you think that things could change or be different. We're also always ready to listen to any new ideas that students have for things that we could include on the programme. Sometimes we might do some different activities, we will talk to students about types of things that they like to do. We can access things like bowling, golf, gymnastics, visits to the theatre to see a panto, visits to art galleries, trips out on buses and trains to practice travel training. We also have arranged previously residential trips to PGL. All of these will be planned with you so that you can choose whether you would like to take part in them. They will be optional. We know that lots of people are worried about what will happen in September and it's very unknown. So we would like to reassure you that we will keep in contact with you and keep you updated about the plans for when the college will open. We will be following the government and college guidelines and rules for social distancing and hygiene. From myself and the supported education team, I would like to say that we are looking forward to meeting you in September when you start your new course at college.